2023 Cavco, and its model number is 19009. I'll verify that right now when I walk up to it. It is a 19009. It's gray with white windows, white lineals. Good looking trailer. I don't know that I'm going to get to walk around the back of it. I'm too chubby to get through that. I guess I could climb the stairs. Okay. It's got your auxiliary air conditioner for the loft upstairs. We're going to go inside as soon as we get through looking at the outside. You got a 20-gallon water heater, house type rear entry door, all thermopane windows. Okay, look at this. It's a beautiful layout. Nice big front room. The table is movable with 4 stools. Recliner. Sofa. Got a nice end table. Coffee table rather. There may or may not be end tables, we'll look. Kind of a white plank flooring. Stainless appliance. Really modern looking in here. These Cavcos are well thought out. This one even has, there's a nice range hood, 5-burner stove. That's better than the stove I got at home. Big old stainless fridge. Doggy water dishes. There you go. If you got a little doggy or a kitty, you can put their dishes right there. Okay. I love the tall ceilings in here. They're just from front to back, tall with that nice dome. The bathroom's huge. Check this out. Medicine cabinet. Towel storage, which is usually a scarce commodity. And you have a stand-up shower with no height limitation whatsoever. Flush toilet, window, exhaust fan. Okay. Let's go in the master suite and see what we got. Oh, nice. Built-in nightstands. Outlets, lights, reading lights. Lots of drawers. Tall cabinet. Okay, we got the loft left. I got to show you one great feature I like about Cavco. The electric box is right here, and it lists all the model numbers and serial numbers of all the appliances in the trailer. I love that concept. They should have been doing that forever. Okay. So we've seen the big front living room, the doggy water and food station, the nice big bathroom, the chef's kitchen. Check that stove out. Domed ceiling. And let's go up the stairs and have a look at the loft. It's not a huge loft, but definitely is way bigger than king sized. Looks to be about 8 by 12, maybe 9 by 12. Got the all-important auxiliary air to kick some air up to the upstairs. There's a TV outlet over there too. Outlet coax hookup. Okay. House type rear entry. I think we pretty well covered it all. MSRP on this was mid-80s. Coat rack right when you come in. That's kind of neat. This table has some storage in it. You can never get too much storage. That's for sure. Well, if you like my videos, feel free to give me a nice comment. Hit like and subscribe. And I'll keep bringing you nice park model videos.